Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. My name is Shequita, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. On today we will be creating this look. So if you're interested in seeing how I accomplish this, then please stay tuned. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay you guys, so we're gonna kick this video right into gear. So the two palettes that I will be using is my Warrior 2 by Juvia's palette and my Tribe by Juvia's palette. So we'll be dipping and dabbing into these two palettes right here. And for the glitter part, I'll be using my Pinky Rose Cosmetics Hypnotic palette. Alrighty, so let's get started. So using my Morphe M441 brush, I am going to go into the brown shade, which is this one here, which is called Covergirl. And I am just going to begin to, after I get my mirror, I'm just going to begin to apply that all into that crease section. And while we're patting it in, we're going to pat first and then blend out. And then with my Morphe M33 brush, I am going to grab the shade Udit, which is this shade here. And we're going to grab the smallest amount, like right at the tip of the brush. And I am just going to blend out the top of that brown shade. Now once you feel like you've gotten everything blended, you don't see any lines between the two colors, then we're going to go to the next step. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to apply to the center of my lid because we're going to create a halo eye. Tip for your halo eye, because I think it looks kind of silly when you don't. You want to kind of open your eyes to make sure that halo is kind of like right there where your eyeball is, if that makes any sense. So you want to go ahead and apply the concealer right above where your eyeball, the black part, normally hits on your eye. That way it kind of makes the halo eye look realistic, if that makes any sense. Okay, so once you do that, I am going to take my Morphe M421 brush. I am going to grab this black shade here, which is Shequita. And we're going to apply that to both corners of the eye. The smallest amount though, the smallest amount. So we're going to use the M441 brush again, and we're going to start blending that black into the brown. Use the M213 brush, and this is where we're going to start going into the Tribe palette. I am mixing in the two shades Coral and chaga, which are these two right here. Okay, so we're going to get that Morphe M213 brush, wipe it clean, and then we're going to go back into the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to grab the shade Zama. And it's like a peachy orange type of shade, and we're going to apply that on the sides of the shimmery shade. Next is the liner. So for liner, I am using my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. And we're going to do what we always do, which is line the lid. Okay, and then I'm going to use my Morphe M443. We're going to go into the hypnotic shade the hypnotic palette before this liner dries. And we're going to pack on the gold glittery shade to the ends only. And we're kind of like just putting it on the center. Then go back in the liner with your liner, and then we're going to clean it up so you can see the black liner still, and it just looks like the glitter is just sitting on the center. Alrighty. And I am going to deepen up my waterline using the rest of the black that's on my M421 brush. Then I'm going to use my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyelashes off my face using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Balm. After that, I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. Scene 2 of the LA Girl Pro Concealers, and I'm mixing in the shade Fawn and Dark Cocoa. And then we're going to blend everything in using my foundation brush, which is the Morphe M439 brush. Okay, and to set my concealer, I'm using the Mercier translucent powder. And I'm going to cream contour using my Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, grabbing the contour shade. And now I'm going to set that contour using my Covergirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronzer. Over my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. So next I'm going to use the Warrior 2 palette for blush, and I'm going to grab the shade Jamata. And for highlight, I'm going to use the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in the shade Flawless. And then for inner corner highlight, I am going to use my Revolution, Makeup Revolution Fierce is Fire, and I'm going to grab this shade. You make it last setting spray. Okay, and for the lip combo, I'm going to use my Lime Crime. What is this? Valentine's Matte Lipstick in the shade Salem, and my Maybelline Color Sensational Truffle Tease. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. If you're a current subscriber, thank you so much for sticking it out with me, and make sure you comment below. Let me know what other videos or contents that you would like to see from me. And if you are new, please feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you over here. Again, my name is Shequita, and I will see you guys on our next video. Bye.